where's my scrambled eggs? Oh, wow. You're sleeping on the job? I can't believe you. No, I'm not sleeping on the job. I think I got hit in the back of the head with a golf ball. Oh, wow. I can't believe you would actually lie to my face. You know what? Forget these scrambled eggs. I want you to make me some Jello in every single color. Right now. Get to making it. And done. Man, that's a lot of Jello. Braxton better be happy with this. Braxton, your Jello's ready. Jeffy, you stuck them all in Jello. Whoops. No whoops. You better put it back right now.
I'll see if there's a setting for that.
There better be a setting for that.
It looks like there's a blow setting.
Well, press it.
Alright.
Jeffy! I hate you, Jeffy! Oh my God! What? He ate all my Jello? Oh, he gonna get it now. That's it,